So I'm here in the maize fields. The maize is absolutely amazing the way it's growing. Yeah, they grow very tall. So I'm walking here through the maize fields. I think it's amazing to walk, to walk through the maize fields here. I'm going to our field there to show you what we have planted. There's a banana tree there. So I want to go. So this is basically our caretaker. We have given him a field here where he can plant his own vegetables for himself and his family. So he has planted. What they plant is they plant beans together with maize there. And he has planted very methodically. You can see they has planted very methodically. It's absolutely amazing. So you can see, look, it's absolutely incredible. Yes, I'm going to take you to our field there. It's going to take a 1 minute walk there just to show you. It's beyond that tree there. So when you're walking here in the fields, you have to be careful not to trample them down. So if you trample it down, you'll break it, and then it won't grow. So you have to watch where you're walking a little bit. We have had an amazing season where it has been raining a lot. So many plants will grow. And this is our field, basically our family field, all the way down to the last tree there, and it's all the way to that tree there, and then it's all the way to, I think we have a relative. It's not a big field. It's a relatively small field for a big family, but I think it's enough anyway. So I want to see the plant here. So we have planted now. If you see this hole, this is half an acre. So this is half an acre. So we have planted half an acre of vegetables basically, which we will share all of us together, and everything seems to be growing there. You see it's growing, and then we're going to have to do the weeding, remove the weeds. So it's planting, it's a very tough job because you have to dig, and then you have to, if you don't have a tractor, then you have to dig by hand. Some people, they can dig this whole acre by hand, half an acre by hand, but we use the tractor to make it go a little bit easier. So then some of our vegetables here are really growing. But the earth, it gets so dry, it gets dry so quickly. You can see here how dry it is. Look, as in it's very dry. Deeper down, then it gets more moist, basically, more fertile. But otherwise, it's so dry, the sun just dries up all the water. So here are some of our vegetables. Now I don't even remember how we planted anything, but we will see as it grows. The kids themselves know what is what, basically. So we've planted this whole acre, and then we're going to have to do the weeding. Here are some amazing vegetables growing. You can see here a little bit more. There, these are beans, basically soybeans. So we've planted the soybeans. We've planted, I think we planted carrots. We planted pumpkins. We planted potatoes, and all this is basically, it's a test to see will this even grow, as in will we get anything out of this because of the sun. The sun dries up all the water. It was raining a lot last night, but then again the sun just dries up everything. The sun is amazing, but when you live in a dry country, then it's hard to grow anything. So we're here, and then we have all the way down to the field there, down to the tree there, basically. And this is maize here, maize. So we're going to have to do the weeding here, otherwise nothing will grow. We'll get no harvest, no crops if we don't do the weeding. So I'll do the weedings, and I'll probably give the children something small that we do to do the weeding together, so it goes faster. Everything is about teaching. I want to teach the children and the villagers, to show the villagers that if we work together, we can get so much more done. And then that also, that if we work together, we can harvest together. As in this, what I want to show you, it should be a unity community. Unity living is what it should be. But to show them just a little bit that working together makes the work go faster, and we can get so much more out of it. Here is pumpkin leaves, basically. This one, if it grows now, it will grow all over the field. All over the field here. So I'm trying to bring us back to African consciousness, where the whole community works together. But out here, something happened within our culture, that now everybody does everything for themselves, as in a little bit selfishly, everybody wants to do everything for themselves. But if we were to work together, everything would be so much easier for everyone. The work would be so much easier. But it's a process of teaching, and so people learn. But anyway, so here are the maize fields, basically. And you can actually earn a lot out here from planting. You can get, if you get from half an acre, I think Benjamin, my caretaker, was telling me, from this half acre, we can get maybe 4 sacks of maize, is what he was telling me. As in, that's amazing. And then you can sell that. You can sell that to companies, to shops or whatever, to schools, and earn a good income if you do it seriously, in that sense. Or you save the food for yourself. Some people, they plant and then they sell it to companies, to schools, to shops, and then make a bit of money. So there's the maize. Anyway, just wanted to show you that.